Good morning students. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is letter writing. In that part or in that topic we will learn semi-formal letters and invitations letter. Okay, before we start, look here. Semi-formal letters are written to people you do not know very well or with whom you interact occasionally. Okay, semi-formal letters are written to whom? The people you do not know very well. Okay, or with whom you interact occasionally. काही विशिष्ट प्रसंगीच तुम्ही त्याच्याशी interact होता. Okay, for example, school teacher or principal or your neighbors, etc. The tone of these letters is very polite. Okay, the tone of these letters is very polite. Polite means namra aste. Okay, now and the mode of address, and the mode of address is formal. Formal means औपचारिक. ठीक है, official. Formal means औपचारिक. The mode of address is formal. However, they may be include some form of decorative speeches. Okay, decorative speeches. Remember this. While writing these letters, if required, and also lengthen from a form of explanation. Remember this. That means they included some points that is formal or official. Okay, we can use a specific language in these letters. Okay, lengthen from the explanation. The specific point is explanation. Explain in that letter. While writing these letters, you must remember that you should not begin with greetings or a question. Okay? While writing these letters, you must remember that you should not begin with a greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, like that. There is no need to greet. Okay? Or question. Look here. The first sentence should be contain the purpose of letter followed by the middle paragraph, and finally concluded with note of gratitude. Okay, it is very important. The note of gratitude must be included in that letter. Gratitude means respectful. Okay. You can also address the person with their names if you know them. You can address the person with their names, directly names, if you know them. जर तुम्हाला ते माहित असतील तर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट त्यांचे नाव सुद्धा इंडिकेट करू शकता. ओके. Now here is one question related with these letters. Okay, write a letter to landlord. Okay, landlord means मालक, जमिनीचा मालक किंवा फ्लॅट. ओके, लँडलॉर्ड ऑफ युअर रेसिडेन्शियल premises. In your letter you should write about the following points. Okay, you want to write one letter to your landlord and it is related with residential premises. म्हणजे राहण्याच्या premises परिसराविषयी तुम्हाला काय करायचं, लेटर लिहायचं आहे. कोणाला लिहायचे? घरमालकाला. ओके, लँडलॉर्ड. रिमेंबर दिस. अँड सम पॉइंट्स आर गिवन इज हियर. ओके, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हियर you are facing financial problems and hence cannot pay monthly rent. This letter belong to monthly rent. Remember this. You want to write a letter to your landlord रिगार्डिंग मंथली रेंट. तुम्हाला हे पत्र लिहायचे कशाविषयी? मासिक देयकाविषयी किंवा मंथली मासिक भाड्याविषयी, जे घर भाडं असतं त्याविषयी. ओके, कॅन नॉट पे, तुम्ही ते देऊ शकत नाही त्याविषयी लिहायचं. ओके, आणि तुम्ही काय फेस करताय? फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम्स यू फेस म्हणजे सामोरे जाणे स्थितीला. ओके, फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम्स म्हणजे आर्थिक समस्याला तुम्ही सामोरे जातात, त्यामुळे तुम्ही तुमचं घर भाडं देऊ शकत नाही. त्याबद्दल तुमच्या घर मालकाला पत्र लिहायचं. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड पॉइंट, व्हेन अँड हाऊ विल दिस प्रॉब्लेम्स बी expectedly solved. Okay, remember this. In this example, when and how will this problem solve? You want to know these problems, which problems comes in your life that will be solved when you want to discuss with this landlord, okay, in this letter, and how will these problems be expectantly solved. Now the next, when will you be able to pay the rent, आणि कधी तुम्ही त्या देयकाला देऊ शकाल, म्हणजे रेंट कधी देणार. ओके, वी कॅन से द डिले ऑफ मंथली रेंट. ओके, डिले, इट इज अनदर न्यू वर्ड्स. डिले म्हणजे काय, उशीर होणे. डिले टू monthly rent. It is the subject of our letter. Now, according to this point, we will start our letter.